HISD Now is at Furr High School all this week as part of our Campus Close-Up series. I'm gonna go talk to a teacher who's been teaching here for 1 year. I wanna know what her experience has been like teaching here at a B-rated school that's now going for that A. I understand you've been a teacher for quite some time, but this is your first year teaching here at Furr. What's that been like for you?
Yes, so this is my first year teaching at Furr High School, but previously I taught for about 4, going on 5 years now. My experience here has been very different from where I come from. So I get more hands-on experience with coaching. I am also kind of like focusing more so on how do I navigate the space. I just kind of really like the family orientation that's here, the professionalism. I also appreciate coming in and people are always willing to coach me because that's something that's a focus for me.
That kind of support is something visual arts teacher James Hughes can not only relate to, but it's also what helped him get Teacher of the Year.
Yeah, I had to learn on the fly, right? But that learning on the fly actually got me to where I'm at right now, right? Because with those challenges and overcoming those challenges and those barriers that were thrown in my way, I had to learn very, very quick. I never, ever expected to be Teacher of the Year. Like never. That's not on the list, short list, long-term goals, none of that. But it's just one of those things that happens, right? Keep putting my hands on my work, keep my head down, and keep working and keep helping these kids ultimately, right? That's what we're here for, to help these kids see them be better. I leaned on my admin team and figured it out, and I did things outside of the classroom to try to develop myself professionally, right? So that's also key as well.
Whether it's a first-year teacher or Teacher of the Year, both Jazmyn White and James Hughes are proving that great teaching starts with showing up and putting students first.